Hey there, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be creating press-on nails for myself, and these are long square. I already pre-picked my sizes and place it on the nail stand. Next, I'm applying primer. The primer is going to create like a sticky layer that is going to help with the adhesion of the gel polishes. Once I'm done with the primer, I'm going to apply base gel from the brand iMaily. iMaily is a gel polish that doesn't contain HEMA, and this is what I use because I became allergic to other gel polishes that contain HEMA, and so far I've been okay using this product. I'm gonna be curing this base gel for 60 seconds, and today I'm going to freestyle this design, and I'm gonna be using this beautiful cat eye gel polishes from Born Pretty. Since I'm doing these nails on the hottest day of the year and I had to be inside in the air conditioner, that's why I decided to, why not, and create some nails. So they're gonna be a summer nail design for that reason. And I'm gonna be using just two of the gel polishes, a blue one and a green one. So I'm starting with the blue one. I'm going to be applying 2 layers of that. And for cat eye gel polishes, if you haven't used them before, you do need a magnet, and as well you need to cure them right away, otherwise the magnets move around and then you will lose the design that you just created. Next, I'm going to be using these cute stickers that are already with cute designs for the summer. And then I'm going to apply another layer of the green cat eye gel polish, and with a magnet I'm going to move around this gel polish to uncover the stickers, so it's gonna be kind of encapsulated and still is going to look cute. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna be flash curing here, as you can see, with my portable UV lamp, just to secure that design with the magnetic gel polish in place, and then I will do a full cure of all the nails for 60 seconds. It's been a while since I posted a long video. I've been getting, I guess, a little bit sad or disappointed that I haven't been able to monetize this channel. I started on YouTube doing nail videos 3 years ago, and I haven't been able to monetize the channel yet. Maybe I'm not good enough, maybe I'm not making good videos, and I don't know what to do anymore. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the new subscribers that I see that I've been getting lately, and that's very nice to see. And I'm just going to continue here decorating the nails. This is how the nails are looking right now. Once I'm done with all the decoration, I'm going to apply top coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to prep my natural nails to apply the press-on nails with the sticky tabs. And sticky tabs are good for 1 to 2 days maximum because they don't really attach very strong. It's not like nail glue. And at least for me, I see some people online that they claim that the sticky tabs last longer. I'm not sure how they apply it or how they prep their nails, but the way I do it, they only last me maybe 1 to 2 days. And using as well these cute flowers that I purchased on Temu or Shein, I can't remember. And these are 3D flowers, so they're gonna be part of the design today, and they're actually really, really cute. I'm applying the flower with this rhinestone glue that I purchased on Temu, and it's gonna be secured in place very well. It's a very strong rhinestone and it's non-sticky, meaning that dries similar to top coat, to the non-wipe top coat. And then I'm securing it in place with my portable UV lamp. Then I'm applying the top coat like I mentioned before, and I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds. And for the final touch, it's gonna be filing the nails, at least the free edge, and I'm using a dust collector. I start to use a dust collector a while ago because it's better for your health. If you do your nails at home, you don't want to be breathing all the dust that comes from the nails, because those are actually chemicals in that dust. And that's what I'm doing here right now, making sure that the free edge of the nail is nice and sharp. And I always like to check the nail all around to make sure it's nice and clean. So now I'm prepping my natural nails. I'm filing the free edge, and then I'm going to clean the cuticle area, especially the skin that is sitting on my natural nail. I'm using this metal cuticle pusher. This one works for me. You have to find tools that work for you. This one is perfect for me. I just gently push all the extra excess skin that is sitting on the nails, and usually this dead skin is the one and the main cause of lifting for nail products. And that's what I'm doing. I'm cleaning that, and actually it feels good after you clean all this dead skin, because your nails feel nice and clean and they look way better. I don't really have a lot of excess of the skin on top of the fingers, so it's just basically on top of the nail plate. Once I'm done with this step, I'm going to go with my drill, with my nail drill, and I'm using a cuticle drill bit. So I'm gonna do kind of a buffing to soften the area around the cuticle area and on the side wall of the nails, where the skin sometimes gets a little bit hard. Once I'm done with this step, I'm going to wipe the nails with alcohol, and then I'm gonna be using nail dehydrator just to make sure I don't have any oils left on the nail plate. In that way, we're gonna be giving the nail the best chance possible to succeed and for your nails to last you longer, at least for an event, because the sticky tabs, they usually last 1 to 2 days, and I usually wear them just for an event. Here I'm just buffing as well the nail plate, and as I mentioned before, this is the dehydrator, and this is from Model Ones. I purchased this on a combo together with the primer and the dehydrator. And now I'm applying the sticky tabs. I prefer to place the sticky tabs on the back of the nail, and once I'm ready, and I just peel the backing and apply the nails directly onto my nails. I just press there for a few seconds until I feel that the nail is nice and secure, and as you can see, it's nice and secure, it's not moving. I'm going to repeat for all the nails, and as you can see here, this is the final result. The nails came out really beautiful today. I really love this combination of different tons of green and blue in it, and in love with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.